How to create an image like this using the flood fill tool. Super quick, all you need is an image. So let's just remove this layer and you can see the image I'm going to be using. Now it's a blurred image. Created it originally, obviously you could see it reasonably clearly, but I've blurred it using a blur filter. So filters, blur and just Gaussian blur. So once you've done that, what you need to do then is go over to a layer and new layer. You need to fill it with something, so let's just fill it with white and apply. So you've got that as a start point. Or what you can then use is the flood fill tool. And you can change this. You've got here the flood fill tool, there it is, and tolerance. And you can push it up, say to 40, 34. And also you can set a variety of things. Contiguous, I'm going with, anti-alias, and also layers beneath. So instead of current layer, you can use layers beneath. So it's using this. This is the layer beneath. Well, what you can then do is simply select a colour, and I've got here blue, but I can change it, say black. Let's go with black initially, and it's about there. So just click, and you can see straight away you've got that. You can just see obviously over there, that face there. And if I click over here, it fills it obviously this side. And because of the contiguous, it doesn't fill it all in one go. So you fill that, and then you fill that. If you turn that off, it will fill it all in one go. Well, once you've got that, you can then change the colour. So let's just go for blue. And now a good panel to have out would be swatches. So go down to swatches, you've got all your colours there. So you can go for colours and you can then select a colour very quickly. That's a great way of doing it. Then you can reduce it down. You don't have to go with 34, you can maybe go for 26 and then just click. So if you click there, you can see now that's all filled with blue, which you may not want. But you can reduce it down, say to 7%, and just click here, and then it will fill only part of it. It's not going to fill everything. It's not going to go massively over the whole image. So you got that, which I think is quite a nice abstract design straight away. Maybe decide, you know what, some orange. And of course, you could set up different colours for this. So you could have maybe greens, blues, and reds, and that could be the colours you use, or greens or something. Then you can click again. So with the orange, let's just click there, and it will generate that. If you don't like it, undo. Simple as that. Or click down here, undo. Now, if it's going all over the place, you don't want that, reduce it down to 3% and just try it with that. So you just click there, and you can see now you've got a little side down there. Maybe click there, fills a bit more. Go for red, click there, and fills that. Click there, goes there, and so on. I must admit, it's probably not particularly predictable exactly what's going to be achieved. But you can go through all these colours, so maybe green there, let's just go down there, and you can add a green there, and so on. So you can create more or less colours, don't have to. Not always good to put more and more colours, maybe just that. And then you've got that image. And you can go here as well, so just click here, and maybe add some colour there. And blue, maybe go around like that, maybe click down there, and so on. You can just see, you can add a variety of different things. Now, if the image was more complex, let's just quickly show the image. There's the image there. Obviously, it's just a blurred image, but you could have more in the image, and obviously the result will be slightly different. So let's just undo that, and you got that. Now, what you can do, you can always use this as a source for another image. So simply use this, or maybe go for filters, blur, and Gaussian blur, or one of the other effects, or maybe move it, shift it. Create duplicate copies of this. So you can create maybe a pattern design could be the source as well. So there's a variety of different designs that can be created simply by just clicking at any point with different colours. So just select that and then apply there. And you can see, create some really interesting looking imagery very quickly using the flood fill tool. Now, of course, you can use the flood fill tool for many other things, so please check out my other videos about the flood fill tool, which is a very useful, powerful tool. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.